Now we'll take third sum, that is 4 pi 2 3 and 3 2 4 1. We have to multiply these two numbers to get the product. First we will multiply this 4 pi 2 3 by unit digit, next tenth, next one in 100 place, next one by the digit which is in 1000 place. Let us start multiplying by 1. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4. Now we have completed by 1 multiplied. Now we will multiply by 4. We put 1 0 here. Now start multiplying. 4 3s are 12 and 1 is carry over. 4 2s are 8, and if we add 8 to this carry over, it becomes 9. 4 5s are 20, 0 here, 2 is carry, and 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. Now we'll start multiplying this number by 2. We write 2 zeros as we have 2 digits to the right of this 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 1 is carry over, 2 4s are 8 and plus 1 is 9. Now we will multiply this one by 3. Here to the right of 3 is 2 digits are there, so we write 3 zeros. 3 digits are there, 3 zeros we have written, and we start multiplying by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15 and 1 is carry over. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Now we add these 4 results to get the product of these two numbers. 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 0 is 4, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, 20 plus 0 is 20 only. 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 2 is 9, 19. See here, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1. This is 14659043. This is the product of these two numbers. Therefore, the product. We will take fourth one, that is 18536 and 367. We will multiply these two numbers to get the product. See here, first we start multiplying by unit digit. 7 6 are 42. 4 is carry over, 2 is written here. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. 2 is carry over. 7 5s are 35 plus 2 is 37 and 3 is carry. 7 8s are 56 plus 3 is 59. This 5 is written as carry over. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now we start multiplying by 6. We write here 1 0 and 6 6 are 36 and 3 is carry over. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21 and 2 is carry over. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 and 3 is carry. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 3 is 51 and 5 is carry over. 6 1s are 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11. Now we multiply by 3. We write 2 zeros as this has 2 digits. 2 it's right. 3 6 are 18. 1 is carry over. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 is carry over. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 1 is carry over. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 2 is carry. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Add this. 2, 5 plus 6 plus 0 is 11, 9, 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. This is 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 1 is 12. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 1 is 8. This is 6 8 0 2 7 1 2. 6 8 0 2 7 1 2. 6 8 0 2 7 1 2 is the right answer of this product. Therefore we write, therefore the product of these two numbers, therefore the product is equals to this one, 6 8 0 2 7 1 2. Now we'll go to fifth one, that is 2 6 4 7 into 1 2 4 into 23. That is, in this question we will solve this one in 2 steps. First we will find the product of these two numbers, then we multiply the product of these two numbers by this 23. So this is first step 1, and then product of this and multiply product of this and 23 is in second step we will do. See here. First in step 1, this is step 1. In step 1 we will do 2 6 4 7 into 1 2 4. Now we start multiplying 2 6 4 7 by unit digit 4. 4 7s are 28. 8 here, 2 is carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 2 is 18. 1 is carry over. 4 6s are 24 plus 1 is 25 and 2 is carry over. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Now we will multiply by 2. 2 7s are 14. 1 is carry over. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 6s are 12. 2 is written here. 1 is carry over. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we'll multiply this number by 1. Here 1 7s are 7, 1 4s are 4, 1 6 are 6, 1 2s are 2. Now we'll add these three results to get the product of these two numbers, that is 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, and this is 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 27, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 5 is 22. Now 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is 3, 2, 8, 2 to 8. This is the product of these two numbers. Now this is the step 1. This is the step 1. And in step 2, we multiply this result, product of these two is this one, and we'll multiply 3 to 8, 2 to 8 by 23. Here 3 to 8, 2 to 8 into 23, that is 3, 2, 8, 2, 2, 8 into 23. Now we start multiplying these numbers. Three, 2, 8, 2, 2, 8 into 23. Now start multiplying by 3. 3 8s are 24. 2 is carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. 4 is written here and 2 is carry over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 3s are 9. Now we start multiplying this number by 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 is carry over. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 1 is carry over. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 3s are 6. Add these two numbers. 4, 14, 12, 9, 14, 15 and 7. We'll write Therefore, the product is product of these three numbers is 7, 7, 5, 4, 9, 2, 4, 4.